जेब्लायबो गाबोन खालामगोन दाहाय खालामगोन सबनिफोर खालामगोन बेबायदि होननानै जों मा खालामो जोङो जोंनि मावनांगौ हाबाफोरखौ जोङो दोनथ'यो. So we should not procrastinate. We should try to do whatever we have to do at the earliest. Poor time management. We have only 24 hours in a day. So I think everyone wants our children to be successful. दिनै जों बयबो successful जानो गोसो जायो. नंगौ ना? Right. So parents work hard. They sacrifice. जोबोद खस्थ' खालामो. जोंनि गथ' गथायफोरनोहाय बिसोरनो नांगौफोरनो सुफुंनो थाखायहाय they work hard to provide all the necessities, all whatever they need, so that they can prepare for a successful life. Right? The teachers, they toil very hard. They put in a lot of sacrifice so that they can give good learning and education to children. Right? So, parents, teachers, and students, we need to work together. We need to cooperate with each other so that we can achieve, so that we can make our children successful. Now, what is success? Earl Nightingale said that success is a progressive realization of a worthy goal. It's a successive realization of a progressive realization of a worthy goal. So, बेनिखायनो जोंहा मोनसे थांखि थानांगोन. Our goal, we should have a goal. We should have an aim in life. I believe all the students, they have an aim in life. Right? I find some of our students, many students, they have aim in life. But I see that many of my students in CIT, those who are studying in engineering college, they are not clear about what they want to do with their life. They are not clear about their destination. They do not know what they want to do after their studies or what they want to do with their life. So it is very important that we should be very clear about our aim in life. If we do not have a proper aim in life, then we become demotivated. Right? We are not lively. We do not become active. Right? And we simply move on with the tide, as we say in English. So therefore it is very important as we grow, as we become as we climb to higher classes, that we become clear about what we want to do with our life. The absence of aim in life results in inactive, unmotivated, unenthusiastic, and unlively life. So therefore, we should all be clear about what is our aim in life. Now, what are the threats to the success in life? The management gurus that talk about what is known as SWOT analysis, SWOT. Okay? What does it stand for? S stands for strength, W stands for weaknesses, right? O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. So we should reflect on ourselves as we become bigger and bigger, as we go to higher classes. We should reflect on ourselves. Procrastination. जोङो जेब्लायबो गाबोन खालामगोन दाहाय खालामगोन सबनिफोर खालामगोन बेबायदि होननानै जों मा खालामो जोङो जोंनि मावनांगौ हाबाफोरखौ जोङो दोनथ'यो. So we should not procrastinate. We should try to do whatever we have to do at the earliest. Poor time management. We have only 24 hours in a day. During this time we have to sleep, we have to eat, we have to study, we have to learn, right, singing, dancing, we have to recreate. We have so many things to do, but we have to manage our time. We have to allocate time for each of these activities. As human beings, we need to do all these activities, but we have to divide